Hey guys, you guys all got this chart in your folder, so I want you to go ahead and pull it out, and I want you to find something little that will fit inside the square. I'm going to use a magnet. It's a pink magnet, but that's what I'm going to use because it fits inside the square. A penny also will fit inside the square, but you need to find something that you're willing to use with this chart that will fit inside these squares, okay? So get the chart. Get this, if you don't have a chart like this, they're easily printable on the internet. Just look for a hundreds chart that's printable and print it off. Go ahead and pause the video, and when you have all your things in front of you, go ahead and push play again, okay? Alright, I'm going to call a number. This is very easy, and you are going to put your magnet down on that number. Alright? That's the first thing we're going to do. We're actually going to do two different things with this chart, but this is the first thing. So listen to what Miss Parris calls out. Okay? Alright, let's start with a smaller number. Let's start out with the number 9. 9. Put your little piece on 9. Alright, did you do it? Okay. Did you choose this number? 9. To cover? Excellent. All right. Look at your chart again. 12. 12. Do you remember where 12 is? It's right here, 12. Did you put your magnet there? If you did, then you did a good job. That's what you're supposed to do. All right, let's take your magnet back off, or your little thing. Could even be a Cheerio or a nut or something. Alright, let's try again. 66. 6. Do you hear the number? 66. Two sixes together. 66. You should have put your little thing right here on 66. Alright. Let's try another one. 38. 38. What do you hear first? Thir. So you know you're going to be on the 30s row. Alright, where's 38? Right there. Did you do it before I showed you? I hope you did. 38. Okay. Let's try another one. 40. 40. You hear that D sound on the end? That means it's going to be somewhere on this row. 40. Alright? Because when you get here, you start hearing that sound. 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. So it's got to be one of these. And I said 40, so here's 40 right here. 40. Did you put it on there before me? Alright, let's do a really easy, quick one. Ready? 100. Did you do it before me? Alright, let's try again. Let's do a little faster. Are you ready? 61. 61. What do you hear first? 61. Did you do it? 61. Alright, here we go. 27. 27. Put it on quickly, quickly. Did you choose this one? 27. That's what you should have chosen. 27. All right. Let's try another one. Let's do 50. Fifth sounds like 5. 50. 53. 53. Did you do it before me? You gotta be the fastest gun in the West. Gotta go faster. Are y'all ready? Here we go. 82. Let's do that. 82. What do you hear first? 80. 80s row. 82. Did you put it on? Did you do that one? 82. 82. See it? Okay. That's how we use this chart. Now, we're going to do something a little different. I'm going to call the number, and you're going to find the number that comes after. Are you ready? So let's try this. Let's start with, let's start with 45. It's right there. 45. Okay? So if I call out 45, you're going to find the number that comes after. If this is 45, the number that comes after is 46. 45, 46. So I'm going to call out 45. And I want you to put it on the number that comes after 45. 45. Okay, I called out 45. This is the number that comes after, 46. So you're going to put it on the number that comes after. Do you understand? Let's try one more before we start really quickly. Let's do 71. 71. All right, Miss Parris wants to know what number comes after. 72. All right, let's try this. All right, let's do a 90s. Ready? 96. What number comes after 96? You hear two numbers, 9 and then 6. 9 and then 6. What number comes after? This number, 97. The number that comes after 97. All right, let's try another one. What number comes after 18? 18. Well, here's 18. What number comes after? 19. All right? All right. What number comes after 31? Go to 31 and put it on the number that comes after. 32. Always seems to move right then. 32. All right. What number comes after 76? What number comes after 76? 76, then 77. What number comes after 90? 90, 91. What number comes after 33? 33. I think we already did this one. 34. Okay? So we could play before numbers, we could play after numbers, we could call out any number. I want you to see if you can get your brother or sister or mother or dad to call out 3 more numbers and see if you can find them on the board. Then I want you to have them call out 3 more numbers and then find out the number that comes after by looking at the chart. I know some of you know it in your head, but sometimes between your head and your hand, you don't always get it right. So I still want you to put something on the chart when they call that out. We're going to be doing this several times. So I do not want you drawing on this or coloring on it or cutting out numbers or playing paper airplanes with it. I want you keeping it nice so that we can use this again, okay? All right. Next one's going to be the clock, so make sure you watch that one too.